Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A low-light garden is a specialized approach to gardening where plants are selected and cultivated in environments that receive minimal direct sunlight. In an indoor context, this typically means areas of the home that are far from windows, north-facing rooms, or spaces where natural light is obstructed by tall buildings or trees outside. These gardens don't rely on the intense rays of the sun, but instead utilize species that have evolved to grow on forest floors or under dense canopies. Establishing a low-light garden is about understanding the unique foot candles of light available in your home and matching them with resilient plants that can perform photosynthesis efficiently even in dim conditions. The benefits of maintaining a low-light garden extend far beyond simple aesthetics, offering significant improvements to both your home environment and your mental well-being. One of the primary advantages is the enhancement of indoor air quality. Many low-light plants are renowned for their ability to filter out common household toxins and increase oxygen levels. Beyond the physical environment, the presence of greenery in otherwise dead or dark corners of a room has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and boost overall mood. Additionally, a low-light garden allows city dwellers or those living in shaded apartments to enjoy the rewards of gardening without the need for a sun-drenched backyard or large south-facing windows. It turns underutilized spaces into living art, making your home feel more expansive and connected to nature. Decorating a low-light garden requires a strategic use of color, reflection, and layering to ensure the space doesn't feel heavy or gloomy. To make these areas look beautiful, start by incorporating mirrors or metallic accents. These surfaces catch whatever small amount of light is available and bounce it around the room, instantly brightening the foliage. Using light-colored or white planters can provide a sharp, clean contrast against the deep green leaves of shade-loving plants, making the greenery pop against the shadows. Layering is also crucial. Use plant stands of varying heights to create a sense of depth and volume. Consider adding warm LED grow lights disguised as accent lamps. They provide the necessary spectrum for the plants to thrive while acting as a cozy, ambient light source that enhances the overall atmosphere of the room. Selecting the right inhabitants is the secret to a successful low-light garden. The best plants for these environments are those with high chlorophyll density or large leaf surface areas designed to capture every photon of light. The snake plant and ZZ plant are the undisputed champions of the low-light world, capable of surviving weeks of neglect in very dim conditions. For those seeking trailing beauty, the heartleaf philodendron and various pothos varieties thrive in shadows while adding a romantic, cascading effect to shelves. If you prefer larger, more dramatic foliage, the peace lily or the cast iron plant offer lush, dark green leaves that remain vibrant without direct sun. Ferns, particularly the maidenhair or Boston fern, are excellent for adding texture, provided the humidity is kept consistent. By focusing on these hardy species, you ensure your garden remains a permanent, thriving fixture of your home decor. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best low-light garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, the floor-to-ceiling botanical window wall. This design utilizes a large, bright window as the backdrop for a multi-layered indoor forest. By placing larger trees like the fiddle leaf fig on the floor and hanging smaller trailers like pothos from the top frame, you create a living curtain that filters light beautifully into the rest of the room. 2. The sunken indoor courtyard garden. Centered around a striking architectural staircase, this idea features a built-in garden bed at the base. A central tree serves as a focal point, surrounded by ground cover plants and subtle floor lighting that casts dramatic shadows against the walls, perfect for an ultramodern home. 3. The lush dining room solarium. Transform your dining area into a greenhouse experience by surrounding the table with high-reaching palms and hanging baskets. The use of varied heights creates a canopy effect, making every meal feel like an outdoor garden party, regardless of the weather outside. 4. The mid-century modern jungle lounge. This setup focuses on pairing vintage leather furniture with massive, broadleaf tropicals like Monstera deliciosa. The contrast between the rugged textures of the chairs and the soft, organic shapes of the dense greenery creates a sophisticated and cozy reading nook. 5. Minimalist birch and peace lily display. For a clean, contemporary look, use oversized planters to house slender trees like a white-barked birch paired with large-leafed peace lilies. This design uses white stone mulch to reflect light upward, emphasizing the height and structure of the plants. 6. The seamless indoor-outdoor transition. Positioning large-leafed plants near an open doorway leading to a backyard creates a visual bridge between your home and nature. Using woven baskets for the indoor plants adds a rustic, earthy feel that complements the outdoor view. 7. The organized home office green zone. Maximize productivity by integrating plants directly into your workspace. This idea uses lightwood shelving to hold a variety of small potted succulents and palms alongside books, while larger floor plants frame the desk to create a calm, focused environment. 8. The classic white-walled plant gallery. In a room with high ceilings and white walls, use the vertical space to display an array of plants on tiered shelving. Mixing trailing ivy with upright ferns creates a gallery-like atmosphere where each plant is treated as a piece of living art. 9. The moody gray-toned botanical wall. Set against a dark charcoal wall, the vibrant greens of ferns and palms take on a cinematic quality. This design uses sleek black metal shelving to hold an organized collection of plants, proving that low-light areas can be incredibly chic and modern. 10. The cozy sofa-side tropical retreat. Frame your seating area with massive birds of paradise or large palms to create an immersive relaxation spot. By tucking the sofa into a corner surrounded by high foliage, you create a private cocoon that feels tucked away from the rest of the world. Creating a low-light garden is one of the most rewarding ways to personalize your living space. It challenges you to look at the forgotten corners of your home with a new creative perspective. Whether you are starting with a single snake plant on a shelf or building out a full indoor jungle like the ones we've seen today, remember that the key is patience and observation. Your plants will tell you what they need, and in return, they will provide a sanctuary of calm and beauty that lasts all year round. If you enjoyed these low-light garden ideas, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of these top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're transforming your shaded spaces. Check out the links in the description for our recommended low-light plant care guides, and we'll see you in the next video.